Lobby. Begin your Chamberlain journey in the welcoming atmosphere of our admission lobby. Here you'll meet our passionate student ambassadors who are eager to share their insider tips and favorite campus spots on your personalized tour. The Commons. Dive into the heart of campus life at the Commons. This vibrant hub buzzes with activity, offering a cozy nook for every student. Whether you're looking to collaborate on a project, dive into a new book, or just chill with friends over coffee, this is your go-to spot. Plus, with tasty treats within easy reach, it's the perfect place to fuel your campus adventures. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. Skills Lab. Sharpen your clinical prowess in Chamberlain's state-of-the-art Skills Lab. Surrounded by cutting-edge technology and lifelike mannequins, you'll transform theoretical knowledge into hands-on expertise. Flexible open lab sessions mean you can hone your skills on your schedule, ensuring you're prepared for whatever nursing throws your way. Science Wet Lab. Immerse yourself in the microscopic world in our Science Wet Lab. With state-of-the-art equipment and intimate learning stations, you'll explore the building blocks of life and unlock the secrets of the human body. Classroom. Engage in interactive learning in our classrooms, featuring flexible setups and modern AV equipment for an immersive educational environment. Student Life Center. Student organizations use this space for small group meetings. Meditation Room. A quiet space dedicated to your well-being, it's where you can pause, meditate, and rejuvenate your spirit. Military Room. A tribute to service and dedication, the Military Room is an exclusive space for our military students. Adorned with honors and designed for camaraderie, it's a room that respects and reflects your commitment. Student Study Center. Students use this quiet space to learn and study. Wellness Room. For new mothers, the Wellness Room offers a peaceful, private haven. It's a warm and welcoming space to nourish and bond with your baby, equipped for comfort and convenience. Outside Patio. Sometimes you just need a change of scene and some fresh air. The patio is a peaceful outdoor space where you can enjoy a good book, have lunch, or simply take a break. Whether you're looking for a quiet moment or a casual place to connect with friends, this is your go-to spot. Chamberlain Perk. A testament to community and support, the Chamberlain Perk offers a helping hand with essential supplies, including non-perishable food items. It's available to all students, thanks to the generosity of the Student Government Association, SGA.